Isn't it magic? The sun reaching out with its golden fingers, as if caressing the tips of the clouds before setting behind the horizon, like you would comfort a child before it falls asleep. When I was small, I also put bright beams of light into my paintings. I was and still am fascinated by them. These sunbeams are called crepuscular rays. Crepuscular? What a strange word. Sounds Latin. I had to look it up. It means this phenomenon occurs in twilight. Let's see what Wikipedia says. Crepuscular rays, also known as sunbeams, angel lights, sun rays or God rays, in atmospheric optics are rays of sunlight that appear to radiate from the point in the sky where the sun is located. These rays, which stream through gaps in clouds or between other objects, are columns of sunlit air separated by darker cloud-shadowed regions. Despite seeming to converge at a point, the rays are in fact near parallel shafts of sunlight, and their apparent convergence is a perspective effect. Similar, for example, to the way that parallel railway lines seem to converge at a point in the distance. The name comes from their frequent occurrences during twilight hours, those around dawn and dusk, when the contrasts between light and dark are the most obvious. Crepuscular comes from the Latin word crepusculum, meaning twilight. But hey, didn't this guy on Flat Earth TV say there should be no perspective because the sunlight is perpendicular to the ground? Well, he would have been right if the sun was straight above us. But in these crepuscular situations, the sun usually is near the horizon. Remember? Crepuscular means twilight, dusk and dawn. The sun is pretty much in front of us. You can't get much more perspective than that. Here is a simulation. Okay, this simulation was CGI, and CGIs can be doctored with. So let's have real light and a real camera. I cannot simulate distant light inside a room, but I can use laser light, which should be parallel enough for our course. I let those parallel beams shine through a plate with holes in it. That simulates clouds. Let's have a look what the camera sees. Wow, those parallel beams diverge very strongly. That is perspective. So just simply triangulating the distance of the sun from crepuscular rays cannot work. A better way would be to measure the parallax of the sun, but that is a different story and may be told another time. For the time being, let us just look at these wonderful photographs of crepuscular light. Isn't it magic?